You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. If you want to learn more vocabulary in English, make sure to stay tuned, or at the Office of a Deacon. So, if you want to learn more biblical names, also stay tuned. 2 different pronunciations in English. Diaconate, diaconate. Some pronounce it. It's also correct pronunciation to say it as diaconate, diaconate, or diaconate. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.